Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachos and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. My familiar setting, they currently ask Ben White, say, I take feel as in they go back to Amex Stadium, come go play with the former team, they come play 0-0. So what the match they make am feel. So my back on the talk, say almost say the thing they very, very sweet, you got to see former people again, former manager and everything. So the match they very interesting, and one of the main things we make and they happy about the match, they say, say they don't play well, but at least they don't lose, see them collect clean sheets for that place. Carry 1 point, go house. See, they very, very important. See, if now before now they don't lose their focus, but now they focus on the game. Make sure say, okay, if we know if we win, at least make we no lose. So now the new mentality they don't get for themselves now, they don't get agreement. Say, any match we play, whether we play well or not play well. If we know if we win, we must not lose. That is very, very important. We must defend any way with the opposition won't take attack, consider that aerially or on for ground, any which way. So they're very, very happy with the results. At the same time, many pundits they talk about the poor judgment of Emile Smith Rowe. Say get one time maybe say Emile Smith Rowe can't dey through on goal. You can't be like say they lead them 2-1. So Emile Smith Rowe can't run. Then Saka can't dey very free from his left now. Instead of to pass ball for Saka, Baba still can't say making wipe shots by himself and can't wipe weak shots. Keep back on still catch. So people still talk about that man say if to say Emile Smith Rowe pass that ball for Saka, who knows? If he be saying maybe Arsenal will and score 1-0, so people say they talk about that. I don't know whether I remember the thing what they talk about. I don't put the image on the screen and I see the particular moments why they talk about. We make many points. They talk say that's why the boys still be smally. That's why they see road. Be see. Say now if you make one small mistake, now people those people don't like you come outside or start to they talk plenty. You don't understand. Now the same way they talk about Arteta. When we win against Spurs, everybody they come outside. We are back. Arteta, Arsenal, this and that. Sure, some people say we will win the league. Now, just ordinarily this small performance we do against Brighton, people don't castigate Arteta again. They criticize Arsenal and talk. The truth you say we don't win all the games. That one are the honest truth. We don't lie to ourselves. There is no we don't do even the Invisible we do 2002, 2004. Say they win all the games. They don't win now. So that's it just be. Someone just calm down. At the same time, a lot of pundits don't come outside. They highlight the problems where Arsenal they get in front of goal. Say this season Arsenal no they score plenty goals. Say for the first 7 games so we don't play now, we don't score only 5 goals. And if you check out, the probably talk say this thing. That's something we say in the last 30 years. And the first time when they happen, we say we score fewer goals in our first 7 games. Say it don't make sense. So this what I mean, say moving forward, if we want to strengthen the team, we're not supposed to be linked to midfield or they linked to defense or anybody again. Now the striking department we're supposed to focus on because we are not scoring goals. People who do for our fronts, they don't score anything. You get so as Auba did there, though before the match against Brighton, they say don't score 5 in 5. Okay, now don't score 5 in 6 because you don't score against Brighton. So moving forward, we will know that they will continue to use Auba. I will make them drafting Lacazette. I've been noticing some people they talk say because Lacazette they go at the end of the season. That is why Baba no one play, and so we are limited in terms of option. It's either we'll play Auba or we'll play Lacazette. We don't get any third option. We will also okay, the person will come and call it post net. Martinelli they for bench there, they rust away. We know they use them. A lot of options. Some people they talk say for that match against Brighton because Arteta come out person put instrument and nice. Why not put Martinelli? Say, are we scoring or are we defending against Brighton? A lot of talking points there where people don't really understand what's in the soft. But moving forward, I just beg Arsenal and Arteta, if we don't sign anybody for January, bring in a striker. That is what we need. That is where we need to improve the most. That place now be top priority now because people will get they are not delivering the goods at all. Finally, Gabriel Magalhaes don't find in teeth, so Ababa don't go raising dentist. We call help and fixing teeth. So come out on social media, come post picture with him with his dentist when they come they shine 32 teeth. Everything that they complete, no something be break before, so no understand where they say the fine, but they don't fix some sha. So just to show you the kind of battle the guy they fight. Now the clash with Brighton keeper and come on in teeth. So that's why you just be well. Thank God for him. So everything done there alright. At least make him fit of his smile again. But at the same time, remember, Magales come outside, come talk about his arrival to Arsenal. So Baba they let us know, say, before he come Arsenal, say Manchester United, 9 be one sign up. But the reason I'm saying, man, be team, the right team for him. So it will make sense, making go join Arsenal, enjoy and stay under coach where they play normal football, not be gra. Making for enjoying his time, learn and develop very well. So that's why I consider going to go join Arsenal, and this guy cost Arsenal just £27 million from Lille. And lo and behold, this guy right there at the center of everything defending for Arsenal, because they don't do partnership between him with Ben White. And one of the stumbling blocks for that partnership, they say Gabriel never they speak English well, but still yet they combine and they bond and they understand themselves irrespective of the language barrier. So hopefully we hope say him with Ben White will stay there for us for a very, very long time. Our maritally spirits, they let us know say Arteta they keep tabs on Sterling, the Sterling situation for Man City. They say this guy, don't really get game time. And this guy is a senior man, but I don't understand why they put up Benjamin. He don't take away in start, you get. So in starting 11, no sure. And this guy get 20 months left on in contract. So Arteta the reason I know they monitor the situation. May know whether he go accept contract extension. Then if he no accept, then he go reason the guy for January or after the summer, because Arsenal need reinforcements. You get, not every time we depend on Bukayo Saka. We still need an experienced player who they used to playing from the flank. A direct player who say they come say one-on-one like this, you get chance to dribble person or do something, score goals, perform, do things. You get, so now what would they expect? So I say Arteta and all these Man City boys then get bond because they there before, so you know them. So even reason them say after I can't join my projects now, one run something yet, they will run come until they say be senior man, you get. So now that kind of relationship will get. Well, in January now we'll know how far within the sub. At the same time, Arsenal they reason the contract situation of Lorenzo Insigne from Napoli. Say this guy at the end of the summer ain't gonna be free agent because they offer a contract extension and Baba know they sign up. I don't know whether I want me to increase in salary or within the sub. So if at the end of the day they no increase that, a lot of people they talk saying that Arsenal be the first destination where the guy would like to go because he want to try a new challenge and he don't want to stay for Italy again. So he won't come for England. So it will be free transfer. It will really cost us anything. Highest they will just increase in salary. Well, until January we will know what they saw, because Arsenal they basically say January they will test the resolve of Napoli. Whether they would like to sell the guy or whether they will let her leave for free, we never know. And whether they will offer him a bumper contract, we never know. We just monitor the situation. We monitor Lorenzo Insigne and we monitor Raheem Sterling. Anyway, we will know what they saw. Ramsdale don't come outside again from media set because they talk about that Arsenal match. So they ask and say, how the match stay good? So Baba they talk say, make you no lie, say for that match, everybody expected them to play the way that they play against Tottenham Hotspur. That high intensity, that electrification, the way that they play. So now what everybody they expect, but unfortunately, they don't feel play like that because the way Brighton take set up and the way themselves they set up, no allow them to play that way. So they just say they manage that one draw. Say the match, a tough match. Say if you remember that save way in pull, if not, they'll pay for score. But just talk them say this one I'm moving forward because Arsenal team a young setup. You get, say they just they play together, bond together. Because if you check a lot of them, they never really played together before. This is like the first time, and it'll be like 4 or 5 team members only for the first 11. Someone just give them time, but at least for their last 5 games now they don't get good results. So now Papa just they talk. Well, wish them all the best. Will they support them from here? So any which way, will they support them they go. So at the same time, a lot of pundits come outside. They talk about the Ramsdale save we make to deny Neil Mopé goal. People they talk say that save na world class save. If not be Ramsdale, wallahi that match you for chopper. Because the guy they position himself very well. They dive, they use his hand, they knock that ball. Me when I watch that match, I just shout, yeah. Well, that match, a lot of things happen for that match. Just scatter my brain. Even that time when Aubameyang miss 1-on-1, they even do that offside. So if to say no be offside, and so Baba from Misa, a lot of things happen for that match. But we just thank God, where everything they go. So my dear football lovers, now here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I will come again, giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle up so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.